Note that.
Welcome back to Hats for Bats.
To keep bats warm.
My name is Josh.
And I'm Jmav.
And we're back with another great episode. As you can see,
the hats are set up.
We decided to go with the 3M side. The way I was able to do it is I could take them on and off the wall. Yes, these are not baseball hats. To show all the different type of hats.
Yeah.
Did we do anything this past weekend?
Yeah.
You have a very nice hat there.
Yeah.
Did you get it in an officially licensed store?
Maybe.
This past weekend, we went down to Atlanta. We thought about Hatlanta.
Yeah.
It didn't work out. It was too far away from where we were. But what was close was the Perimeter Mall in Dunwoody, Georgia. And
so close.
what was in the said mall?
Lids.
Not only a Lids, but remember across the way was a Lids college.
Yeah.
So we went into Lids, walked around and saw really big. They had a great clearance section where actually I got my hat. And then you were able to find some. You're saying it was your hat of the trip.
Yeah, I say it's the best one I got.
What do you like about it mostly?
I like how it's just one color, but you can still see the logo.
Once again, this is my hat. Austin did find his hat. He went with the Toronto Blue Jays. He told me the sticker will never be coming off, but very clean looking hat. But then we went and did what?
A tour of the Braves Stadium.
Truist Park. And we're going to show that full moments from the tour. And then we ended up in
the team store.
The team store. And all four of us picked out a hat, which this was my pick.
And this was mine.
We hope you enjoy. Here it is now.
Enjoy the show.
All these hats. That one's pretty amazing. Side patch? I'm trying to find one that's like that. All right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed that different type of episode.
Very different.
Very different, but it was a lot of fun. I highly recommend wherever you are, if there's a ballpark close to you,
Yeah, you should go.
you should go and do the tour. And check the weather, make sure it's going to be a nice day, and go like on a random Sunday, and always pick the last tour time. Spoiler, next episode might be the lids near us. It has opened. Finally open, so we will be checking that out. Once again, I want to thank everyone for watching it. We really do appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up button. Remember, you can follow us on Instagram and TikTok at
HexProBatsYT.
Please leave a comment down below.
And subscribe.
Thank you and have a great night.